frost and snow cover for your windshield. Check this thing out. Let's just unfold it here. Now, I've used one of these in the past, and I've seen different sizes here. I've got a van right here, and I'm gonna show y'all putting it on this van real quick and show you how this thing sets up. It looks like you get a bag that came with it right there. Cool little bag. And it looks like it's in silver and black. Who doesn't like the silver? I like the silver better. The silver is more reflective. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and set this thing up. This closes in the door, I know that, and that goes around the mirrors. Throw it across. This part, you open the door. This part goes around the mirror, and this hooks down on the wheels. Okay, there it is, everybody. I just got it all set up, and you can see how it kind of goes right here. This closes down in the door so it doesn't get blown off. So my windshield is actually a larger size windshield, and that seems to work perfect. And what I did, so I just locked one down here on the wheel, and it actually covers up the windshield wipers. It covers up almost the entire window except for this little bit right here. But like I said, I have a larger size window, and you can see how it goes on both sides. And this thing covers up, so I am ready for the frost, the snow, or whatever Mother Nature decides to throw at. That's all I got today on the, the frost, snow, windshield cover. Maybe some leaves. See you on the next video.